Away. Just give me a few seconds to share the screen. So welcome to this wonderful session of blockchain, the 31 days series. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of blockchain technology, that is interoperability. Anything in the world, right? And if whether it is any software or any um, equipment, anything, it has to be interoperable. If it is working with only within itself, then it becomes difficult, right? The similar way, we have to see that how blockchain can interact with other things. It can blockchain network. So we'll explore how it allows different blockchain to interact and communicate seamlessly and opening the world of possibilities. So let's get started. Interoperability in the blockchain refers to the ability to different blockchain networks to exchange information and interact with each other, right? It's just like a different computer system need to speak the same language to communicate. Blockchain require interoperability to work together efficiently. This seamless communication hold immense importance in creating a unified and interconnected ecosystems, right? So that's what is all about interoperability. So now, as you can see in this screen here, how the blockchain works, right? So let's deep dive into this. To achieve interoperability, several protocols have emerged. Two prominent one are Polkadot and Cosmos. So we'll see that in the next slides. So these protocols act as a bridges connecting various blockchain and enabling them to share data securely. So Polkadot, for instance, uses a relay chain and parachains to facilitate communication between the different network, while Cosmos uses a hub and zone model, right? So these are the, I'm just giving you a quick overview, but if you want, you can do a detailed, what do you say? You can do some detailed check or maybe check yourself. So this is the, this slide shows how and what is the difference between the Polkadot and Cosmos. So Polkadot has a shared model, Cosmos has a bridge hub model. Polkadot uses relay chain as main chain, and others are known as parachain. It's about the architecture. In Cosmos, the main chain is a hub, and all other chains are known as zones. So the governance is multi-cameral governance. Here it is cone-wide signaling and scalability. It can reach one more transactions per second with parachain. And in the Cosmos, it can start own network which run parallel to the main network. So upgrade is possible without hard fork, and it is in the Cosmos. It can be done with the hard forks, right? So that was a quick thing about these two type of interoperability system. Now, benefits of these things is first and foremost, it enhances the liquidity by allowing assets to move freely between the blockchains. This cross-chain compatibility increases the efficiency. Just imagine if there is one blockchain and one thing which is not compatible to another, and if there is something required, now we have so many banks, so many insurance companies using. So if those are using different blockchains, then it will be difficult for them to exchange the things, right? So that's why it is needed. I'm just giving an example. And the cross-chain comparator increases the efficiency and reduces the need for centralized exchanges. Moreover, it opens up a wide range of use cases by combining the strengths of different blockchains, fostering innovation and creating more robust decentralized systems. So now this next slide, it shows what are the real world interoperability possibilities, right? So you can, as you can see, there is something about industrial solutions, then notary schemes, hash blocks. So these are the different types of blockchains, and they need to be interoperable between each other. So each one of them may be using something different, but if you see, industry has to interact with you know the system, that is law system, and then it has to interact with some other blockchains, with the other type of banks, etc., etc. So all of things need to have interoperability. So that's the main thing here. It is showing what are the different real world things. And other things, there are several more real world projects which are working towards interoperability. For instance, there's something called as van chain, which focuses on cross-chain assets and smart contract functionality. Then we also have AION, which is an open application network that aims to connect various blockchain platform. These initiatives are driving the industry closer to the seamless communication. Challenges, some of the challenges, like it's not the concept of interoperability is exciting, but it is not without challenge. Achieving widespread interoperability requires addressing issues like security, scalability, and consensus. However, ensuring that different blockchains can understand the data from one each other is complex task. Nonetheless, the community is actively working, and see, every time there are the what do you say? We have the challenges, but the team works together and to overcome the challenges, right? So today we saw about the interoperability, which is a critical piece of the blockchain puzzle, as it paves way for more connected and versatile ecosystems. As we continue to explore the world of blockchain, keep it in mind that the importance of interoperability in shaping the future. And next session, we are going to dwell into the decentralized finance. It's a fascinating aspect. So get ready and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for being with me, and do not forget to share or like if you want to do that with others, and do some your own research. Right. So have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much. Bye bye.